From the home of the Spirit Quartz, Buchenhout Hoek, South Africa, we have the central quartz crystal surrounded by the smaller quartz crystals you can see on the side there. Now this is almost a hand-sized piece, so if I have it flat in my hand like this, you can have a look. Have a look at the reflections to give you an idea of what's happening. There is a nick on that crystal, and there's a nick on that crystal too, so it's not a perfect specimen, yet very interesting formation. Coloration, very slight amethyst. Usually one can see the color on these. If you look into the crystal faces, you'll see around the edges there's patterning, and that patterning is duplicated right through the specimen, causing the underlying color. The yellowishness you see in between there would be caused by hematite in various stages of oxidation. Hematite come goethite, basically like iron rusting, which has been trapped under the quartz. So here you had the initial quartz crystal, the central quartz crystal. Then perhaps you had a dusting of some hematite over it, which oxidized, and in time you had a new silica flow, causing the basically the goethite or the ex-hematite, now limonite or goethite, which has been trapped inside. Here you have a very good example of what happens at this locality. You have the central core, and then you have the tiny crystals making a blanket around the central core. I'm going to give it one more swing to show you the... So this can be displayed on a turntable all the way around. This is actually a very interesting face, because there's a whole lot of crystals jutting out here. So it is the proverbial cluster. Talk about a crystal cluster, this would be it. And that's all from one of South Africa's specialities, the home of the Spirit Quartz, Buchenhout Hoek, South Africa.